Hi, I'm Tom Kerridge and I am the chef and owner of Here the Hand of Flowers in Marlow. And the dish I'm going to be cooking is a glazed omelette of smoked haddock and parmesan. It's an omelette Arnold Bennett. It's the classic dish from the Savoy. It's a play on that, you know, where it's quite often served as a rolled classic omelette with a glaze on the top. This, we're just cooking it all in a pan. So it makes it work for a service point of view. It's steeped in great British history. It's flavours that people understand. It's a very rich and beautiful start to your meal. I suppose 4 basic ingredients. It's great eggs, good Parmesan cheese, amazing poached smoked haddock, and then a glaze that's made up of hollandaise sauce. First thing is beaten eggs. That's cooked very gently in a pan with butter, very softly, almost to the point of them being perverse, not quite set. Seasoned up, grated Parmesan goes onto the top. And then haddock, great, sauce yourself some fantastic smoked haddock, poach it in milk until it's just cooked, remove it from the milk, flake the haddock onto the top of the omelette, then use the milk to make a classic white sauce, a classic bechamel, proper old school. And then that white sauce, you then mix equal parts white sauce with raw egg yolks and then hollandaise. So you've got this very rich glaze. So the haddock goes onto the top of the omelette, spoonful of the glaze until it's completely covered, and then you blowtorch it. And it's really that simple. This is a true case of ingredients being allowed to speak and be key for what they are. There's no faff, there's no nothing else. That's served in the pan that you cook it in with a spoon. And that's it, and there we have it, a glazed omelette of smoked haddock and parmesan.